Hey guys, I believe in you, I see greatness in you, and I want to discuss that in this video. Are you interested? Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Dr. Jamesia, the Nurse Practitioner Extraordinaire. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Thanks for coming in. Thanks for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Hey guys, I want to tell you why I am a nurse practitioner, why I'm also a professor, why I'm a YouTube influencer, why I do the things that I do, why I am a mindset coach. And it's all because of one thing. Well, maybe two things. But the main thing is, I see greatness in you. I see things in you. I see things that you may not see in yourself. And I want to pull those out, and I want you to just be great. And I know that I am meant to care for people. I am meant to be here to inspire, to uplift, to educate, to nurture and water your self-esteem, and to bring out the things that you need to know about you that make you special, that make you who you are. And I love working with you. I love working with people. I love you stopping by my channel. I love you watching my videos, leaving me comments, telling me things that you want me to talk about. I just love that. So I just wanted to kind of share that with you about me. What gets me going on a daily basis? What makes me thrive? What makes me wake up on a daily basis? And that's what it is, because I see you. And you matter. So, mwah, 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 mwah. All right, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. All right. Take care, guys. Bye.